Welcome back, Isaac in France, to our online marketing section of training. We're going to talk about how to make Facebook ads, and this is really important topic if you want to run your digital communication. And it's always me, your Fuzzy, your MCVP marketing, and we are going to review the process of how to do a Facebook ads, especially here Isaac in France. The picture and the description when we need to take in consideration doing a Facebook ad. So how we are going to manage the process? If you want to create a Facebook ad, we created this Podio form for you that you can go click and submit at least 3 days before the beginning of the ad, because after this we are going to review with the national team, and then we are going to publish on our national Facebook page, and then we are going to see what information we have to provide and whatever after this introduction. The process is really easy, and it's everything guide in the form. First of all, we start with your personal information and what's your marketing objective. What I suggest you to click this link to understand which are the objective of a marketing campaign run through Facebook. But in general, what we use most in Isaac are traffic, because it's a kind of campaign that help us to pushing people to click on a link, and engagement that push people to like, comment, or share our post. And yes, it's just engagement creating. So important things, you need to put your location, because in your location is target is where your market is target. For example, I put an example of Paris, but it depends from where are you, and you can put the range of kilometers from the center of the location you are. And then the age of your potential customer. I really suggest you to select the age related to the what we are promoting. If it is GV, GT, or G, or maybe join Isaac. Then the process, it's all guided by here, and you can find all the instruction here. What this part is really important, because here you're really creating your persona, your Facebook persona. And this is fundamental, because through the characteristic that you're going to put in your Facebook persona, you are going to reach the target that you want to reach. And important things, the budget that you want to put, and the starting and ending date, and the format. About the budget, you're going to submit, and with MCVP Finance and your VP Finance, we are going to manage to send you an invoice before the ad is online. But this is a process that we are going to review with the financial department. And this is the date, for example, and that you want to add on. And then at the end of the process, we are here in the core part. I mean the text that you want to show during the ads. And I suggest you, when you make the description, if there are multiple images, to make a description for each ad. And in the end, you have a list of call to action that you can select, and the link that you want to put on the Facebook ads. And then, of course, you have to drop your visual in the form. Some suggest, please don't put too much text in the picture, because it won't be super effective. You have, for example, some example here, and some tips to create a cool picture, even if you have no Photoshop or Illustrator skills. Suggestion, always check the blue book to make a promotion that is aligned with our brand. At the end, about the description, what we have here is some tips to about how a description of a Facebook ad should be. first of all, be short because it's the best way to be effective. Then don't use a Bitly. I know that before we talked about a Bitly to track, but there is more for a Facebook group. When we make promotion on national page, we don't need it, and a Bitly looks like a virus in a Facebook page, so it's not so effective. While in a Facebook group, it's okay. And then have a clear call to action and create the sense of urgency, like apply now, subscribe now, and because it's more effective and unlock something in our customer. And don't talk too much in Isaac language, and don't use English word. I suggest you to, if you can, to use French, since we are in France, and then really create something that catch the attention of the people. Because on Facebook, we really find a lot of people that create Facebook ads, and we need to be different in order to be noticed by the people. And that's all. For further information, you can always contact me, and see you in the next video. For the moment, merci beaucoup.